here. He's done it again. This is what the fans get.
Hey Monster Jam RC fans, today we're doing a little different video like normally. As you can see right here, we got this ThunderROARus RC from the Target exclusive ThunderROARus RC, what I meant to say is. And today, I have them in pieces, as you can see, but my little brother really loves ThunderROARus, so I was thinking maybe I could turn this little RC, like say like 20 bucks right here, into a real authentic Monster Jam with like BKT printing. Like I could change this to a black roll cage and repaint this body. So today, join me as we're repainting this cheap ThunderROARus RC toy to surprise my little brother. Alright, so first up, I think I'm going to repaint these tires, and as you can see they have BKT on them, so I think I'm going to do some whiteout on it to repaint the BKT logos on it, and then also I might do some paint in the black in the inside the wheel insert, and I'll probably like leave that the same, the beadlock. So yeah, and then I might move on to the chassis. I might repaint this, the whole chassis right here, and then we'll move on to the ThunderROARus. So now we're outside. We're about to paint the roll cage to this regular normal chassis. And yeah, it's a little dark out right now, so yeah, stay tuned and see what happens with this paint. There you go. It's officially black. Alright, so unfortunately, I don't have the paint with me, so I'm gonna try to use some Sharpie on it. I know Sharpie is just a permanent marker, but hey, it's just a little toy, you know. It doesn't need to be that perfect, so yeah, let's just try it out. We'll see how it looks like, but I'm gonna be using my die cast for reference, just for the body, because it's basically the same body on the die cast. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Alright, so after an hour, I finally finished it. It looks okay. The Sharpie looks pretty cool on it too, so I know, once again, I don't want to do paint because I'm going to mess it up a lot, but Sharpie with it is not too bad when it comes to this, but yeah. As you can see, I got the details right there, just like on the Spin Master truck. And then I might do the silver arm parts right here real quick too, and the tailgate too. So yeah, it's coming to life, guys. It's coming to life. Hold on, let me get that out of the way. Yeah, it's coming to life. Alright, so I got the roll cage. As you can see, it's all fully painted black, and yeah, it looks pretty nice. And we're about to throw some silver details on the headers and on the shocks, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so next up, I think I'm gonna try to do the mouth mechanism right there. I'm thinking I could probably put like a screw right there or something, and then another one like right here. Then I could probably try to like move it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll try. But yeah.
Two hours later.
Alright, MoxJamRC fans, after many hours of getting this ThunderROARus cut out to do the jaw mechanism, I finally finished it. And as you can see, it can move pretty good. And yeah, I'm about to put it back together, assemble it back, and be good to go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's finally done. Take a look at this. Man, I think everybody's gonna love it. So let me walk you through here. Roll cage is painted, the ThunderROARus logos, and even the moving mouth too, as you can see right there. You can move all the way up like that, just like in the actual pet parties. And yeah, there it is, ThunderROARus, little mini RC completed. And yeah, be good to go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome Monster Jam RC content. And remember, this is Monster Jam RC, and this is Hayden signing out.